Hi guys, welcome back to another one of my videos, and today, I seriously don't know what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be trying, it might be a little bit dumb, but I might try to never mind. Try to get my friend to scam me, or someone. It might be a dumb idea because a lot of people get hacked, and I'm not sure who it exactly was. It was Baby Say Having You Too. It was BB7 Hut, and she got banned. P0. No, I don't remember. I think it was Princess Queenie 822. 873. Okay, so she must have got banned for scamming. And it was another one called Lee. They all got banned. So they basically all just got banned, and yeah, I'll be right back. I am back, again, and I actually decided to paint, because it's pretty risky, and I got scammed like thousands of times. So, and I was like dumb at the time. Wait, did someone just text me? Wait. What the heck? Why are people doing this to me? Okay. Okay, let me just... I like to see people's usernames, and I like to add, random people, so I have a lot of friends. What the heck? What is happening? Whatever. I'm actually gonna be painting, and I'm gonna give a shout out to one of my friends. So it's gonna be so hard to draw. I'm gonna try to make a cursive. I'm not gonna do cursive, but it's just I can't do it on. I can't do it on the computer. See, it's impossible to write. I know she doesn't play Animal Jam, but I play this thing called Roblox. If you don't know, if you haven't been playing Roblox, then if you hate Roblox and you haven't played Roblox, then you've been living in a box. I know I spelled Roblox wrong. I know I spell it. It's just I'm too lazy to spell it right. OX 60. Okay, and then show some love to her by drawing a heart. That's not a heart, but you know what? Who cares? Then, send to AJ. Now, someone's on my den. I'm in my den, so I have to go for a second. Then I'll be right back. Anyways, guys, I'm back. Anyways, guys, I'm back. This dude was talking to me. So, I might have to pause again, because I might have to send a message to this weird guy. So, let me just, send him I might rage, because I always is that I always literally send him things. guys, that's basically it. I don't even know what to say anymore or what to do anymore. But I love you guys. Now